Fake.
It already happened. There's
Fake
nothing you can do
news.
to stop it. There's nothing you can do to stop it, dude. I'm back live. I will not let whatever happened kill my stream tonight. You know what? There we go. Got to get this window back to the right size. Don't know what happened there. I won't let it stop me. The haters can hate as they will. But that's it. We're back up. We're back up and running, baby. Anyway, pardon the interruption. For some reason, my computer decided I don't know. I don't even know if it was my computer or something. Network stopped. Everything broke. But we're back. Deastl, how you doing? Deastl, you there? Deastl? All right, I guess Deastl's muted now. Anyway, imagine using a Mac. I don't have to imagine it, Jordy. You're the one that has to imagine using a Mac. Jordy, the guy whose microphone never works, despite always coming up with new and inventive ways to try to fix it. Telling me about system stability. Love to see it. Anyway, where am I at here? Localhost 5173. Localhost 5173. Oh, your microphone works? So does mine. We both have functioning mics. You're the guy with the mic pointed the wrong way for 3 months. Yeah, because I don't have software problems. All I have is hardware problems. I got the hardest wear in the world right here, buddy. This is where the wear is hard. Anyway. So we were trying to, last we saw, I was trying to get the pipes to render in the right location. I'm doing something wrong. I don't know what. I think the source width is wrong. I think this sprites.pipe.width isn't correct. I think if I just set this to like 2000, it'll what will that do? That'll render the pipes weird. Okay. What is the actual width of that image? That's what I want to know.
Sorry about that.
Oh, no worries. Let's see if there's an image magic command to get the size. All right. Identify ping format %W %H, and then this will be, what is this? Pipe.png. All right, 736 by 2500. So we will just do the SX is going to be 736 736 6, and the SY will be, oh no, this one's 00. I'm an idiot. 00. The width is 736, and then we'll see if that gets it to render properly, or at least as wide as it should. That ain't right. That boy ain't right. I've clearly done something wrong. Deastl, any thoughts?
You're not sharing your screen anymore.
Ah, I'm not sharing my screen anymore.
Yeah.
That would make it difficult for you to make thoughts on what's going on my screen, as one would expect it to.
It already looks beautiful.
I mean, obviously, but how do we make it more beautiful?
Um, have you tried rewriting it in Rust?
You know what? I don't think I have.
Yeah, I don't think you've exhausted all your options yet.
Yeah, no, I think that's going to be important. There we go. So now we have the bottom pipe rendering in a somewhat reasonable. Nope, not at all. Nope, not even a little bit. So like that one looks okay. But it's supposed to be taking the height of. It's supposed to be taking from the source image the exact same amount as it needs to print out. So I think we need this. Nope, this is wrong as well.
Are you
Draw
able to
height.
make the objects just like go off the screen?
Yeah.
I think that'd be the move.
Are you scaling the image of the pipe instead of offsetting it? I'm offsetting it and scaling it. I'm doing it wrong though. I think I just need to tweak these numbers and it'll be fine. Before I was just scaling it and it looked stupid. The top pipes are just scaled and they look stupid. But I need to get the bottom pipes to work properly. Also, shout out to my boy Deastl for making the pipe, you know? I mean, good work, Deastl.
It's a great pipe.
Yeah. I know you're an expert in pipes and having them in your vicinity and, taking them.
You know, I actually learned all of that from you.
That's a strange way to handle that that comment, Deastl. Thought that was private. You weren't supposed to tell anyone.
Yep, I learned all about pipes from Nate.
Let's see. Bottom pipe, math 4, math random 7 height plus 1 times height plus 1. Top height max. Bottom pipe height. Top height. So to figure out the number of pixels we need to grab from the source, we need to take the full height of the page minus the height of the bottom pipe. So actually, the source height should just be the height of the pipe. The Y location that we put the pipe on should be the height minus the bottom pipe height. That makes sense. And then the destination height should just be the height of the pipe. That's all the pixels we want to draw. I think this is the magic incantation that should get us right. And it's not. Why is this not working? This isn't what I want at all. Huh. Image sx, xy, s width, s height, dx, dy, d width, d height. Do I have this in the right order? CTX, draw image. Possible I just have the order wrong. Could that be it? Sx, sy, s width, s height, dy, dx, dy, d width, d height. Have you considered rendering to a specific viewport size and then scaling the render up, double pixeling, linear scaling, etc.? Yes, and I think we're gonna have to do that eventually to get the way the bird moves correct, because I had hard coded a value that worked really well on this screen but didn't work very well otherwise. So I think at least for the graphical elements we want to do that. But just for drawing the pipes at different lengths, we're still going to have to solve this problem. I think, and then we'll apply a scaling factor to it later. That'll make solving the pipe problem pretty easy too. No, it won't change solving the pipe problem. Fundamentally, it's still the same problem, and it's not gonna. The pipe problem will be the same no matter what, because it's getting the correct amount of the pipe, and then drawing it in the right place on the screen, which should be simple, but I'm screwing it up some kind of way. So SSXY is the offset into the image. The width and height is how much of the image we want. Width of 736 is the full width of the image. The height, we only want as many pixels as we're going to show on the screen, which will be the height of the pipe, which we can get the height of the pipe correctly. So then the destination, we want to offset it in the x-axis by how far across the screen the pipe is, which we have done correctly. On the y-axis, we want to offset it by the total height minus the height of the pipe, which will bring us to where we want to go. And that's the destination y-axis. The width will be the same width, or actually the width will be the width that we defined for the pipe, which is pipe width, which will be scaled properly. And then the height is going to be this dot bottom pipe height, which should be the height of the thing. And that's how much we put down there. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
I don't think you're doing anything wrong.
Well,
it's actually not possible.
Clearly it's not working, so I'm doing something wrong. When in doubt with raster graphics, give up and make a lo-fi vector game. I think I know what it is. I think that pipe is absolutely massive, which is something I would know a lot about. Got him. And if I open up, I think this is working exactly the way I thought it would, the way it's supposed to. So it's only reading like 700 pixels, and then it's writing those 700 pixels. So what I need to do is that's what it is. So I naively assumed that the scaling was like 1-to-1 the size of my screen to the size of the thing. What we really need to do is get a proportion of the pipe and apply it to the screen. So what we ought to do is I don't know how you're supposed to go about doing this. But what we got to do is probably make it so that everything is I think we just multiply this by 10 for now. It'll work the way I want it to. And it does. Oh no. We go off the bottom of the pipe though. That's the problem. The pipe needs to be way longer. You see what I'm saying, Deastl? So this is working exactly the way it's supposed to, except the pipe isn't long enough.
You can make them bigger, like a little girthier, you know?
Make them girthier. No, they're the right girth already. Pipes needn't be girthier. Cooperator says procedurally generate the pipe. Do we procedurally generate the pipe? That feels like a bad idea.
Probably is.
That makes me want to do it though. Ooh.
should do it in HTMX.
Deastl critically missing pipe isn't long enough, Jabs. Well, this is the problem. This is Deastl's pipe. He made this pipe. So he'd be talking about his own pipe not being long enough.
It is my pipe.
Yeah. Huh. Is there a way to rotate an image? It uses sources element intrinsic size and CSS pixels. When you load an image and specify, you have to use natural width and natural height properties to calculate things rather than element.width and element.height. Don't know how that works. Just make a pipe section PNG you can tack onto the bottom. Yeah. Yeah. Can I like flip an image? Canvas, rendering, rotate, image. Rotate canvas image. Canvas.translate and context.rotate. Oh, this rotates the entire canvas. Is that what we do?
I think you do.
I think we don't rotate the entire canvas, right? Draw the pipe and then unrotate it. That feels pretty bad.
I think it's a means to an end.
Hmm. Draw image, CTX image XY, HWH degrees, CTX save, CTX translate, CTX rotate, CTX translate, CTX draw image, CTX restore. I don't want to rotate the canvas. This is so silly. PG81X, thanks for following. This is very silly. Rotating the canvas. Let's translate, rotate, translate, draw image, translate, rotate, translate. Ah. It's a full degree rotation code. Oh, this isn't code. Do you just need to create a whole new context just for that pipe? No, it's the context is the canvas rendering context. So you got to keep using the same one to keep rendering in the same place. And I think that'd be really big and fat to keep making a new one. Honestly, the move is to just make an upside down pipe image and then render that. Low tech solution. Yeah,
Photoshop,
exactly. All right, open pipe.png, tools, rotate right, tools, rotate right, file, duplicate, top pipe.png, and we'll just make a new element called top pipe inside of our sprites array. Init sprites, let top pipe equal document dot eat element img top pipe dot source equals dot slash top pipe dot png top pipe top pipe. And then inside of our render pipe, and will this be mad at me? I think I screwed something up. Yeah, it's not loading. What did I name this? Top underscore pipe. Control loads sprites. Init sprites is what it's called. There we go. Init sprites top underscore pipe.png. And there we go. And this isn't exactly what I wanted. Let's pipe.png is still rotated. There we go. So now we just have to add in all that gross nonsense I was doing before to the top pipe to make it scale properly. And then we'll have the pipes working the way they should. Bottom pipe looking a bit toppy. Yeah, I saw that. All right, so now we just need to rewrite the top pipe render function thingy method, I guess. So we'll just yoink all this.
I'm just gonna yoink it.
Yeah, we'll just yoink it here. We'll paste that there. Get rid of all these lets. So then the image is still sprites.pipe. SX is 0. Okay, so this will be top pipe. The SX and XY will not be 0 though. The SX will still be 0. The SY will be the height. This dot top pipe height. The width will be the same. The source height. Oh no, we want the height of the. Want image dot height minus this dot top pipe height. That way we get the full image. Subtract that. That's the rest. We don't want that. Wait, no, that's where we start. So we go with image height, go all the way down to the top pipe height, and that's how much we're going to deal with. So then the source height will be top this dot top pipe height. The dx, which will be the destination x, will be this dot x. The dy will be 0. The d width will be the pipe width, that's fine. And then the d height is going to be this dot top pipe height. And I screwed this up, I'm sure, but we'll see. Oh, nope, didn't. No, this is wrong. The scaling is wrong. Yeah, this is still like scaled.
It does look better though.
It does.
Oh, there's a floating pipe.
Yeah, the floating pipes are a problem.
I mean, you could always lengthen the dong, you know.
Well, yeah, we're gonna figure that out in a second. But for now, we need to figure this thing out. So the source x will be 0. Source width will be the entire width of the height of the pipe. The y is going to be, so if this pipe is like short and it's only meant to be this much, so we'll have the top y of the pipe, and then we'll subtract away the height of the pipe. Let's see, if this pipe is supposed to be cut off here, then the source height is just going to be as much as we need sticking out. But the source y is going to be whatever proportion of the pipe we need, or the source y. Yeah, source y will be. It'll start just before the proportion of the pipe that we want to show. This is really, really frustrating to think about.
Game dev.
Yeah. Is this what game devs do?
Yeah.
No wonder I don't write games for a living.
It's fun, isn't it?
This is not fun. I'm not having fun.
But you're not having fun?
I'm kind of having fun. Maybe we just leave it the way it is. Maybe I do rotate the entire canvas, every time I want to do it. Join the Forge, game dev from first principles. That is correct. All right, I'm getting real tired of this bird barely flying when I click the jump button. We are going to just do minus 300. All right, now the bird's gonna just zoom. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Now this is Flappy Bird. We got the real bird movement going on. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right, let's turn gravity up.
Gravities.
Yeah, we need higher gravity. Bird delta y.
More gravity.
Equals. So I have 25 divided by 100. Let's just leave that there. We're going to divide this by 10.
The planet's got a lot of gravity.
So we're going to go absolutely crazy
Saturn.
we're going to go absolutely crazy on gravity.
Jupiter? Probably Jupiter.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is gravity.
Maybe the jump needs to be a little more sensitive.
I can't make it. All right. All right, that was tough. Let's do 3,000. Nope. Nope, lost. All right, let's do 1,000. All right, now this is a spry birdie. This is gonna be tough to make it through some of those smaller gaps, but I think we can do it.
You don't need to worry about that.
Oh fuck! All right. So this is game dev. Shit. You should try to do this in Phaser or Babylon and see how quickly you can replicate it. I bet it'll take a little bit longer to get to this point in Phaser or Babylon because you have to learn stuff and like you have to put everything in the Phaser or Babylon language. But I think once I get to this point, it'll already be like much nicer and cleaner, and any further improvements will be much easier because there's less mental overhead, and the entire thing will probably be much better structured. Maybe that's the move for next stream. What do you think? Or not next stream, but the next time I get back to this absolute nonsense.
More game dev Nate.
Yeah, I guess. More game dev Nate. What exists for game dev frameworks? JavaScript and HTML 5. We got 3JS. That's not a game thing. I already know how to do that. This is not how you want to do it.
I think I've done Phaser before. I don't remember it being that fun.
Yeah, here we go. Not a game engine. Best HTML5 game engines. Pros, whatever. Cons. Literally not even a game engine. Great. Thanks. Very useful.
That's what you want. You want something minimal.
Yeah, real minimal. Not even a game engine. I mean, would you count this as a game? It's an infinite runner of sorts. It's one of these atmospheric games. You know, just to chill out at the end of a long day. You get to watch the car go by.
I don't feel very chilled out.
Why wouldn't you feel? Well, let me slow the car down by moving my mouse down. Now we're going about 10 miles an hour. How does that feel?
You should make it so you can drift.
What are you talking about? Skirt, skirt. You are drifting. Skirt. All right, what's this? Pixie-Just? HTML5 creation engine enables you to develop animations and games without prior knowledge of WebGL API. Let's check out one of these demos. Filters demo. Great. Totally useless. Phaser. Phaser. Whoa. Now this looks like a game engine. Look at all these games. Magic Stones. Kimba and Kumba Puzzle.
Game's even real?
I don't know. All right, where's the examples? We got project templates. Getting started. Where's the examples though? We got books. All right, there's no examples. Where's the examples?
I mean, if you were a real game dev, you wouldn't really need examples.
Yes, I would. Oh, here we go. Games and the showcase video. Fishing.io. All right, can I play this? Play fishing.io. All right, let's play some fishing.io. See what this phaser thing is really about. Where's the America option? Ugh. Oi, blimey, pip cheer, mate. Oi, let's play with a game, mate. Free fish, bruv.
Bruv?
Free fish. Free more fish, bruv. Full fish, bruv. Is this what passes for a game in the JavaScript world?
Yeah. They're really good at making games.
All right. I mean, I'm playing it.
Dude, it's a game.
Let's go deeper. There's no new fish down here. These are the same fish. Oh, that's a better fish. Big money? Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So I can make this game using Phaser. Bigger bucket. All right, where's the good fish? Ooh, a bottle. Oh, +0. Well, that was kind of a tease. Oh, diamond. Please be worth a lot. Oh, whoa. All right, we're making the fish worth more. So Deastl, you think this is a good game engine for making the next Flappy Bird?
I think it would do Flappy Bird, and that's the limit.
You think Flappy Bird is the limit?
Yeah.
What if I made like an ultra Flappy Bird, like a 3D Flappy Bird where you're flying in all the different directions? There's pipes coming at you.
Four-dimensional
Ooh.
Flappy Bird.
You know, I don't think anyone's made a 4-dimensional Flappy Bird where you have to snap into the 4th dimension a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. You know, just tease in the 4th dimension. You're not living in the 4th dimension. Just, you know, a little Netflix and chill with the 4th dimension.
Is that what you do?
With the 4th dimension?
Yeah.
Yeah. This game is really playing a little slow. Need to go deeper, though. Can I go more depth? More depth. All right. Now we're playing. What other games are out there that would be semi fun to implement on stream?
Chess.
I think there's already some people that really do a good job of that.
Drone strike simulator.
Ooh, that's good. That's good. I could put that on ObamaDroneStrikes.com.
You really could.
This is a domain that I do, in fact, own. Pretty good. What's the shark do?
How,
Trophy
how
room.
much you selling it for?
Claim, 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 claim. All right, there we go. Now we're talking. Let's go a little deeper. Get some more fish price. So what else do I need to add to the Flappy Bird game? I probably added like a score, right? That would make sense, wouldn't it?
I think it would.
Yeah.
Typically people want to know how good they're doing.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So let's get out of this and make a nice little scoreboard. Multiplayer worms might be easy enough to do within a couple streams. That's not a bad idea. Multiplayer, that would be kind of difficult. Anyway, so inside of our rendering function, what we'll do is we'll just do a score. So let's say we'll just say let score equal 0. That works. And then at the end we will render score. We'll have to make that function. And then what we'll do is when we make a new pipe, we will say score plus equals 1. So all we need to do is render score now. Function render score CTX, that is a canvas rendering context 2D, and score, which is a number. So what we'll do is we'll make a little box for the score. We'll make it like a red box.
I like that. It's good.
Yeah. Canvas rect. So we'll make the rect. All right. So we'll say ctx dot begin path ctx dot rect, and then this will be, what are these? X, Y, width, height. So the Y will be 0. The X will be 9 times width divided by 10. So we'll make it 9/10 of the way across. The Y will be 0 because we're starting at the top. And then the size will be, the width of it will be width divided by 10. And the height will be height divided by 10. Then we'll do ctx dot stroke, I think. Is that right? Yeah, ctx dot stroke. So then that'll give us our rectangle. Wait, there's a fill rect? Oh, dude. Don't need any of that. So we got that, and then we want to draw a number. MDN, Canvas API. Is there reference? Image bitmap, image data, off-screen canvas, path 2D. How do we draw a number? Draw text, canvas, web. Drawing text. It's 2 stroke text. Strokes are given width. Fills are given width. What's the difference? Oh, I see. So we'll do a fill text. ctx dot fill text, and then we want text x, y, and max width. So we'll say string s for score. So the x will be 0, the y will be 9 times width divided by 10, and the max width, I don't actually care. Does
I
this
think you
not
should.
convert it to string? There we go. CTX exclamation mark. There we go. Let's reload this thing. I don't see a score window. Oh, it is there. I'm just drawing it in black. So I assure you it's there. So how do we set the color of a fill? Set color canvas HTML. HTML canvas. There we go. There we go. There we go. Stroke 2, begin path, arc, whatever. Don't care, don't care, don't care. There we go. Gradient. So CTX dot fill style equals CTX dot create linear gradient. Sure, 0, 0, 200, 0. That works. Oh, I meant fill style. I need to say grd equals dot add color stop 0 red. Oops. 1 white. Now we should have a gradient up top. Nope. That was the entire context. So I've clearly screwed something up. How do I do just that? How do I do just the rectangles fill style? I did the entire context. Fill rect color HTML canvas. All right, so this is useless. Where's the thing? The default fill style. Okay, where do I say what fill style I want? All right, so this just does the entire canvas. I don't want the entire canvas. I just want the rectangle. API draws a rectangle that is filled according to the current fill style. This method draws quickly to the canvas without modifying the current path. So subsequent fill or stroke calls will have no effect on it. You still there?
Yeah, yeah.
Good shit. Good shit. All right.
You're afraid your stream just like went down again.
A little bit. Will this only fill the corner? Okay. If you notice, for a second, it filled the corner and then it filled everything else. So if I just do old fill style equals ctx dot fill style and say let that, then I do ctx dot fill style equals old fill style. Now I'll reset it back. There we go. Now we got our green in the corner. So then here, before we draw the text, we'll do ctx.fill_style equals purple.
Such an unsettling green.
It didn't do it. It didn't make the text up here. Why didn't it make the text up here? What are we doing wrong?
Yep. You broke it.
Clearly I did.
Why'd you do that?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
You try not breaking it?
No. No, screw you. I do what I want.
Do you?
Sometimes. All right, let's see fill text. Canvas rendering context fill text. Current fill style, optional parameter, maximum width. Use whatever most can achieve by condensing the text. Yeah, let's do that. Let's make the maximum width be smaller. So we'll say like width over 10. And then we'll see what we get. Still didn't do it. What if I had this wrong? It should be x followed by y. So x, I put it 0. And then y, I put it 9/10. I want to do it the other way around, I think. X, y, or x, y. And it starts with x. So x should be 9 times width divided by 10 to go 9/10 of the way across. The y should be 0, and then it should drop that way. Unless, and this will be dumb, but the y I want it to be height divided by 10. Maybe I'm drawing off the canvas this entire time. Oh, there we go. There's our score, you see?
Why is it that color?
Went to
green?
1, 2. It's really tiny, but we got it. 3. So why is it so tiny? How do we make it bigger?
Steroids.
Oh, we need to make the font bigger.
Yeah, it needs the steroids attribute.
Font is bold 48 px serif. Properties. Yes, the string uses the same string parses CSS font value. Default is 10px sans serif. So that's what we're drawing in the corner right now. There's a 10px sans serif. We want to make this like 20 times bigger, or like 10 times bigger. Yeah. It needs to be 10 times bigger. So we'll just say, I don't know, ctx.font equals bold 100px serif. There we go. Now how does this look, Deastmeister?
Oh god.
We got scoring, dude.
Why is it Barney colored?
What are you talking about, Barney colored? It's green and purple, dude. It's Green Bay Packers colored.
Are you colorblind?
I don't know what the colors of Green Bay Packers are, honestly. It's green and purple. That's all I can tell you. I actually forgot the colors of the Green Bay Packers. Am I wrong? No, they use green and yellow. Who's green and purple?
Yeah.
Shows how much I know about football. I swear there's a team that uses green and purple, isn't there?
Dude, what even is a football?
Honestly, couldn't tell you. Damn, my obvious attempt at getting people to interact with the stream by telling me how wrong I was about the colors of the Green Bay Packers didn't work. I'm gonna have to say more wrong things in the future. So just as a future note, if any of you see me do wrong things, I'm doing it on purpose to drive engagement. I certainly would never just make an honest mistake. I'm playing 5-dimensional chess at all times. Remember that.
You can make 5-dimensional chess.
Yeah, let's make 5-dimensional chess. How to make 5-dimensional chess.
Yeah, they probably got a tutorial in it.
This looks awful. 5D chess with multiverse time travel. Yeah, that's pretty bad. I do not like that. Anyway, so we made the Flappy Bird game more functional. We've made it more object oriented. What else? What else is there to do? I mean, this game is pretty much perfect.
Is it?
I mean, we could do gradients again if you want me to fix the gradients real quick. Or is this better? Now we have a very uniform color scheme.
You know, I think I like that more.
Yeah. Here, let me just
It's still like a really gross green, but
there we go. Now it's Packers colors.
there you go.
Honestly, we don't need any of this actually. This is totally useless. There we go. Now we just have the score up there. All right, so I think we accomplished a lot today, Deastl.
I think we did.
Anything you
I
want to
contributed so much.
yeah, anything you want to tell the viewers before it's time to go, you know, before we leave?
I challenge you to Flappy Bird with Go and HTMX.
All right, Flappy Bird with Go in HTMX, some server-side rendered nonsense Flappy Bird. That's what Deastl wants, and that's what you guys should make. Well, thanks everyone for coming on the stream. It's been real. It's been fun. I hope it continues to be real and fun. Particularly, I hope it continues to be real fun. On that note, I'll catch you guys on the
What
flip.
if it's neither?
What?
What if it's neither?
Neither real nor fun?
Yeah.
I don't know. Also, I feel like I haven't been raiding people. I'm gonna raid someone. I feel like that's the way to end. I'll send some views over to Kaitan. They make games and stuff, so that's fun. Adios.
Don't do drugs.